Hello viewer, welcome to Pamela Healthy Food Diet. Today I'm going to prepare cauliflower paste for pasta and spaghetti, known as a cavolfiore in Italian language. Here are the ingredients I'm going to use: black pepper, turmeric known as cucumi, my ginger, my favorite kitchen spices, garlic, fresh pepper. This is the only paste my son likes pepper so much inside. Then onions, as you can see I'm using a lot of onions, and carrot. You can add tomato if you want to add tomatoes, but I don't add tomatoes to all this paste because they've already have paste I made, the stew I made with tomatoes for pasta, for spaghetti also. They eat tomatoes for stew, they use it to eat yam, they use it too much. So in order to minimize it a little bit, I have to use just only onion. But on your own, you want to use it, you can use tomatoes. Why I choose to use schoolbrae fish, because they have other things I prepared already with turkey for them, like the other paste I did the other day. They have a meat on that one, so I'm using this schoolbrae, which is 100% vitamin D. And now we are in cold weather. In winter there is no sun, so I try my all means to make sure that most of the thing they eat, they have a vitamin D. So this is my Maggi and my salt. I love this cavolfiore because it has many health benefits, and when you boil it like this, because of the odor, the children will not like it, and because of the health benefit, there are much that I cannot measure everything, but I will just give you people few of those health benefits. It supports healthy blood and bone, and is good for digestion. It also prevents any type of cancer cell, and is good for eyesight. It helps in weight loss. It also contains a high amount of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant to our body. It boosts the immune health, and reduce the risk of heart disease. There are many benefits this cavolfiore have. In fact, all vegetable. So please, if we have children that don't like eating vegetable, we should try by all means to endorse it in their food, so that they will eat it. Because I don't like forcing my children to eat what they don't like, because by the time you force the children to eat what they don't like, it's not good for their health anymore. So in order to make sure they eat what I know it will benefit their health, I will find by all means to prepare it for them. And when my son come today now, if I prepare it with pasta this afternoon, he will eat and do like Oliver asked for more. So that is how I normally do all vegetables which I prepare for my kids. I'm going to do the cleaning of the vegetable. This is what I normally use: aceto di vino, known as vinegar, wine vinegar. It's very good to preserve your vegetable, because we don't know where they are coming from, where they cultivate it, the hand that took it to the supermarket, the people that touch it before you finally buy it. It's good to clean them very well. Just put a little drop inside the water and use it for cleaning. I've sliced the pepper, garlic and ginger with the carrot. I'm going to do the blending now. I'll blend everything together. I have to blend everything together. Now I have done with the blending of the carrot, garlic and ginger, all together with the pepper. See how colorful it is. I've done the first washing of the cauliflower. I removed that water. I added that wine vinegar, aceto di vino. So I put another water to remove the odor of that vinegar from it before I will start boiling them. Now I'm going to do the cooking of the vegetable, of the cauliflower. I'll put them on the fire. I'll add salt to boil it. So that it will come out with taste. I've added salt for the boiling. We're doing the frying of the onions now. While the vegetable is boiling. While I fry the onions. When you want to get the real flavor of onions, when it's getting brown like this, you add water and leave it for some minutes so that it will absorb with the water and bring out the real flavor. I add the carrot. I'm adding little turmeric, known as cucumber, and small black pepper, just little. Then I add my Maggi cube, just 2. Cube is enough. I'll take off the cauliflower and let it cool down a little bit. I'll allow it to cool down for some minutes before I do the blending. I add my fish. And take little water from the sauce. The water extracted from the boiling of the cauliflower. I'll put inside to cook the fish. While I will use the remaining water to cook the pasta. Let's do the blending of the paste. This is how the paste will look like. Very, very white in color. You see it? The pasta they are going to use to eat the paste. While we made the pasta half done, we will now use the paste to boil the pasta until it's soft. It will look milky. Look at it. The cream. It's just like eating pasta with a panna. You can see it. The pasta is ready. I will now add just a little drop of olive oil on top, because that is the best way to eat olive oil. Please, if you like my video, subscribe and press the icon bell for notification. Please share. Bye.